Yep. All right.
Right here where we're gonna set the container at. But yeah, that's what I'm looking
This is
at.
going to be a driveway here
Oh, right here.
coming in.
So you're gonna have it where they can drive in
Not
from here?
this.
Oh, they're gonna stop. Okay.
Yeah. Because I'd have people running. I'd have to monitor that gate.
He said, I'm trying to, exactly. He said, man, I had to.
This is going to be a drive. The traffic's pretty heavy getting in and out of there.
Uh-huh. Oh, I see you got some more rocks here too.
So I moved all this, got rid of all these trees in that fence line, and this drive's already cut. See how nice and wide?
Yeah.
The driveway coming in, so I'll have two drives, parking in the middle.
Oh, okay, you're gonna use this one, bam, and that one, because you do get a lot of traffic up in here.
Yeah.
When I first, on the nice days, when it's nice, shoot, you packed. Well, if it's nice out, everybody out. I mean, but that's good because people want to mingle and want to get out and do something different and eat and just shop. And
the tide goes out and the tide comes in with this thing, you know, which is fine. I need a little bit of slow time in the wintertime so that I can
build up and
regroup.
Regroup and
get ready for the next. But this was all mud home.
But I like what you did with that over there, though. That was good. That's going to help you out a whole lot.
Bit at a time. Yeah. We're just going to, continue to do that. But I expect you'll pull a lot of business off of this location.
Oh, most definitely. Most definitely.
You're going to end up having to hire you somebody.
You see, this is the deal. Starting out, since I moved, it's just been me. As soon as I get things going, as soon as it get up, because I got the website up, so I'm already doing service calls. But as soon as it get